What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like we are coming down, making more lower lows as we continue to the downside. Altcoins over the past the past week or so have been looking very bearish, haven't they? You can see on the daily time frame here that we have just been making lower lows and lower highs in quite a steep, a steep decline really ever since we lost this, ranging period that we saw here. We've been pushing and pushing and pushing to the downside, continuing down. Pretty much every single bounce in the market is getting, shorted beyond belief. We are looking for a retracement back up to here into this area of previous support as resistance for Vechain to put in potentially a short, but it looks like there's not really been any bounces in the market so far whatsoever, has there? We've just been continuing to the downside continuously over and over and over again here, with really not that much respite whatsoever. And you can see here, Vechain is just continuing down, looking for a key level of support, isn't it? And realistically, we're looking for, now that we're down in this range here, anywhere between we're about halfway down this little area of structure here. You can see anywhere from that 2.2 cent level all the way down to, realistically in and around that 1 cent level. We're probably heading towards 1 cent now, aren't we? If we're being honest, that would be a very big psychological support for Vechain. Currently at around that 1 cent and 50 kind of area, at that 1.5 cent level at the minute. Realistically, you'd probably expect it to be coming down towards that 1 cent level now. And I mean, goodness me, if you believe in Vechain for the long term, I mean, what an opportunity. Down, almost 90% now from the all-time high. I think it's well over 90% now, actually, isn't it? It's like 95% from that 20. What did it get up to? Around 28 cents. So I mean, we're down almost 95% now, getting into those big, those retracement targets you do see for altcoins before they do start to get a bounce. You can see here that we've got lots of key levels of resistance to the downside as well, lots of support. And, with the volume tapering off continuously throughout the bear market as well, there might be a point where we do start to see a bit of a renaissance in crypto when we hit some of these key support targets for most cryptocurrencies. I think Vechain 1 cent, I mean, what an absolute opportunity that is. I mean, just getting back up to 10 cents would be, in our opinion, fairly achievable. And if that is the case, then, well, that's a nice little 10x in Vechain, isn't it? I mean, the all-time high from 1 cent is a 28x just back to the all-time high, which is insane to think. And I mean, if it went beyond that towards that $1 target, I mean, you're looking at potential 100x, maybe even beyond territory over the next 5 to 10 years if you believe in this long term. So short term still looking very bearish, heading to the downside, looking for support. Mid to long term, we are still bullish on Vechain. Obviously a top crypto, we do think this is probably going to do well in the long term. Actual real world use case and utility. And we can see just how well this thing has done in the past. If we saw another leg up like this towards that $1 level, that would be an insane game, wouldn't it? So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Short term still bearish, but mid to long term still bullish. Heading down at the minute, looking for a key level of support. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.